How to dispose of garden waste soil. Adding composted grass clippings and mulch to your garden will create a rich, loamy and fertile soil bed, ideal for growing a garden. Over time, however, especially as you dig out soil to plant more plants, you may have more than enough soil. Although you may consider garden soil yard waste, it is not as easily disposed of as other yard waste, such as leaves, yard trimmings and grass. Nonetheless, don't fret. With a couple of phone calls and perhaps some local advertising, you can dispose of your garden waste soil in no time. Call your local government municipal waste or recycling center. They may accept excess soil from your garden. There may be lawn waste collection days in your neighborhood or dumpsters for this purpose. Keep in mind that many lawn waste areas of your dump or recycling center do not accept soil. Advertise that you have free garden soil in a local community newsletter, an online site for example, Craigslist for your area, or another small local distribution outlet, for example, Penny Saver. Many gardeners will come pick up your garden soil, especially if it is rich and fertile. If it is just fill dirt, not of much value for a garden, many people need fill dirt for outside landscape or construction projects. Contact the contractor for your local trash pickup, if applicable. Their name is often on the trash cans and trash trucks. They may provide a service that picks up garden waste, including soil, but probably a fee will be charged.